No, that's a stretch.
Okay.
Professor Emmanuel Otu of CSIR's Crop Research Institute in Kumasi, Ghana, says West Africa is the regional center for specialization in yam production. 80% of global yam production is traced to the West Africa sub-region. Funding for crop research institutions for the cultivation of yam comes from the second wealthiest person in the world, ranked as such in 2019 by the Forbes Rich list.
Our funding mainly came from Africa Yam, which is a Bill and Melinda Gates sponsored program.
Under the Crop Improvement Program, the CSIR's Crop Research Institute has produced 7 varieties of yam with combination of features that include good culinary characteristics, pests and disease tolerance, high yield, and nutritional security.
What you are seeing are some materials that we've crossed, and at the end of the day, we've looked at them, they look promising. Our yam is always known for its good quality. So if you go to the export market, the best yam in the market is Ghana yam and it's Pona.
To accelerate propagation of yam in Ghana, Professor Emmanuel Otu said the CSIR Crop Research Institute in Kumasi came up with a system called aeroponics. This soilless means of growing yam multiply crops at a speedier rate.
That you can actually grow yams without planting them in the soil. And it was captured as a growing, growing yams in the air. It came in the news, where we use aeroponics to generate the seed.
Plant aeroponics is a specialty of Professor Marian Quain, who is the Deputy Director of the CSIR's Crop Research Institute.
You can see that we have planted the plants here, the roots are growing, and the roots are being fed with nutrient water. And this is yam, you have the tubers forming, you get the tubers forming, and you have a very vibrant vegetative growth.
Professor Quain, pictured here in the molecular laboratory, said plants generated this way have specific fingerprints and DNA that are traceable to the Crop Research Institute in Kumasi, should the situation make it necessary to cross-check the facts. She said the aeroponic method of crop propagation is being commercialized for individuals to take up as their jobs.
This is a factory that we can turn over to the private sector. We in the research want to continue developing the system for utilization by the private sector.
The CSIR's Plant Genetic Resources Research Institute at Bunso in the Eastern region, like its sister institute in Kumasi, has elaborate systems for conserving the plant material, from seed to plant tissue to multiplication in the field.
Here we are conserving them because characterization has already been done. We are conserving them so that we don't lose them.
With the Institutes of Council for Scientific and Industrial Research, Ghana, providing the technical base for growing yam and other crops, it remains to be seen whether the nation is living the objectives for which this important institution was established in the 1960s. Napoleon Atukitu reporting.